Have you heard this story about a beautiful place that makes you feel restful in the midst of people who live in religious harmony? If you've never heard it before, you may now find it intriguing. You may want to know every square inch of this place, from the beauty of its land to the depths of its seas. To start your journey, travel to the place which has traditions so diverse. Meet these friendly people. After all, welcoming guests is their tradition. The light of Aceh, wonderful Indonesia.